What's up, guys, and welcome. We're going to go through something I think is long overdue for posting, and this is really how I think every new trader should start. So instead of making the common mistake of jumping right into trading day one and inevitably losing half, 75%, maybe even 100% of your portfolio or what you have to invest, we're going to take it a little safer, and we're going to go a direction that I truly do believe everyone should start trading in this way. In the description, you'll see two links. They're going to be very important. The first is going to be a trading journal. I have it uploaded to a G drive. Basically, all you have to do is open up the link, go into trading journal, click up here at file, make a copy. You're going to make a copy of your own, and you're going to save it to your own Google Drive. It's going to give you the exact thing you have here. This is the basic version of it. I do have an advanced one, but I'm still tweaking it. It's modified from a stock thing. So for all intents and purposes, we're going to use this. It has some kind of fake examples here of trades, and you're going to end up doing what is called a trading journal. And it's a very simple thing. It seems a little tedious, but it's very important when you start. So what you're going to do is record. I'm going to get rid of my own camera here. You're going to record when you've opened a trade, when that trade closes, what ticker, so what pair you're trading. Is it Bitcoin USD? Is it Ethereum USD? Is it 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐿 USD? Then you're going to fill in setup. So you're going to fill this in before you make the trade. So this is going to be your reasoning, why you're taking this trade. What's the reason? Is there support? So you're looking to go long? Is there resistance? So you're looking to go short? Write your thoughts down. This is going to be really important when you go back and reflect on these trades. Notes here, you can put things like stopped out, closed in profit, closed early. What you really want to do, like, this is just for you. No one else ever has to see this. At some point you can share it with me if you'd like me to go over it, but this is for you. You want to know where your mind was, what your reasoning was, and what this is going to allow you to do is to go back and identify where you're messing up. Without this, trading is really a game of memory, and we're not good at that. Basically, we're going to remember our wins, we're going to forget our losses, and that's not going to help us grow as traders. So this is going to serve as kind of a time capsule. You're going to go back and be able to see where you can improve, where your weaknesses are, what your biases are, etc. Then you're going to fill in the direction, so long or short. L for long, S for short. Your entry, meaning where you're going to start the trade. For this practice, we're only going to use limit orders. So your entry should be able to be journaled in before the trade is actually executed. Your target, this is going to be where you're looking to close the trade in profit. And your exit. For size, you can put essentially how much you're risking. You can see these are old examples, but this would be 0.5 of a Bitcoin. This would be 80 ZRX. So pay attention to what unit you're using. And then your P&L and fees, these are going to fill in automatically. So don't mess with these. These should populate. I believe if you do this correctly, these should populate with the win or loss, the profit or loss. So the second link that you'll find in the video description is going to be to Femex. Now you may have a Femex account, but that's actually not what this is. So if we open that up, you should get this page. You're going to register for a new account. So what's important here is in the top left, you're going to see it says Femex. And then in this little box, it'll say testnet. By the time you click this link, this page may look different. If this link is broken at any point, please send me a message. This is a testnet. So this is the exact replica of Femex, except you're not using real dollars. This is going to be really valuable. It, again, might seem redundant, but a lot of this is going to. This is all going to help you. So what this is going to allow you to do is to use the Femex platform without risking any real money. You're not going to need to deposit any assets. If it asks you to do that, then you're probably not on the testnet. Stop what you're doing. It should give you a fake starting balance. And basically, you're going to go and you're going to populate that trading journal. Feel free to overtrade, to undertrade, to take risky trades, to do whatever your heart desires. You know, like even I would suggest allow yourself to be emotionally fueled for a little bit in trades, which is the opposite of what we usually do. But you can allow that because here you're not risking anything. And the goal is not to win. The goal is to simply trade, follow your emotions, see how that plays out. I have a feeling that over time you're going to see the same thing that every other trader does, is that emotions are not good trading tools. Eventually, you do hope to start winning these trades and being consistently successful. And that doesn't mean winning every trade, but it means winning more than you're losing. And once you can put down on this trading journal, let's say 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month of consistently strong trades, then you're ready. Then I believe you're ready to go start with a very small amount and see if you can replicate the same thing with a real balance. So here I've gone ahead and I've logged in. Double check this before you do anything. That up at the top, it says note for simulated trading. Very important. This is how you're going to know you're on the testnet. Your URL should also say testnet.femex.com. And you're going to notice that this is the exact same site as Femex. And so what you're going to be able to do here is you're going to be able to simulate trading. It's a really, really great, this is a really great tool. You're going to be able to experiment with your different orders, your limit orders, your market orders, your conditional orders. Maybe not conditional, you need premium for some reason. You can use all the same pairs. We have BTC, USD, Ethereum, XRP, Link, etc. And you're going to practice. You're going to take risks that you wouldn't usually take. So I'm just going to randomly market order half of whatever into Link. And you can see order price, amount to receive, 1.6 Link, immediate cancel, confirm. Don't show this again. Now we can see in our fills, we have Link USDT. We bought 1.6 Link. The amount spent, 22.41 USDT. And what we're going to do then is go back to our trading journal and we're going to put in the date. We're going to put in the market, Link USDT. Setup. This was an example. Notes, YOLO. Direction, we picked market order we bought, so that's a long. Our entry, execute price, 14. Size, 1.6. We can make up our target, say 15. And because we're using a market order here, what we're going to have to do basically is to fulfill this $15 take profit, we're going to go back to limit. We're going to go to sell and we're going to put in $15. That's our target, 100%. And we are going to look to sell Link at $15, good till canceled. And so now this won't fill because it was not a market order. It's a limit order. So it's going to sit there at 15. And if this does, or when this does fill, we're going to go back and we're going to say target exit 15. And you're going to see it's going to produce, we profited $1.59. But I want you guys to go ahead and play with this. Get comfortable. Get comfortable with the orders. Get comfortable with price action. Get comfortable with just the whole system of trading. And I really think that this is going to help out a lot of you. Almost every crypto trader starts the same way, and that's by losing a ton of capital. And what you can do with this is, instead of losing real capital, you're losing imaginary capital. And it's not going to have the exact same effect, but it's going to basically be training wheels. Just like learning to ride a bike, it's a little dangerous to just hop on. We put on the training wheels, we get used to the controls, to turning left, to turning right, to slowing down, speeding up. And that's what we're going to do here with the testnet and the trading journal. So I hope this helps you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions. The trading journal should be editable, or at least you can comment on it. And feel free to tag me on the Discord or Patreon post. Let me know how you feel about this. And maybe I'll make a room in the Discord where you can post your paper trading results and share it with the rest of the patron. All right, guys, go forth and trade.